Now I got the trailer with my pressure washer, 100-gallon tank, gravity fed system. Oh shit, looks like we're leaking it. Damn it. We're gonna have to fix that. That's what happens. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video. I gotta figure out this problem. Alright guys, just wanted to make a little lengthy video here. Like I said, I'm reviewing the trailer, showing you guys how it's coming out. Today we have the trailer hooked up to the FJ Cruiser. We got a few cars to do. So here's a little update. Lengthy video on this trailer review, letting you guys know how it's coming along. I got it hooked up to my FJ Cruiser TRD. We got the baby trailer. I filmed a few washes. And I'm just putting this video together that way you guys can see this is a budget-friendly little baby trailer with a Harbor Freight generator that's strapped down all sketchy, but it works. I got to redo the strap on that, and then I got a few things to add on the trailer, but like I said, budget-friendly build. Washing this Honda Civic, and then we got that NSX coming up next, and then another vehicle after that. But this is a few weeks that I've been filming this small trailer. You guys don't need a big trailer or a big truck to do these jobs. This trailer is working great. I'm showing you guys that the budget-friendly way, it really does work. I don't have my stuff organized in my FJ Cruiser. I keep everything in the back. It's a little disorganized, but I'm gonna get to it later. I don't want to show you guys how it looks all dirty, but hey, my remedy's been working. I've been getting jobs. I've been having satisfied customers. Everything works, guys. Just a little review on the small trailer. Like I said, I made the other video that just showed how I built it and stuff like that, but this is more of the trailer in action, showing that I really use it. I hook it up to my truck and it makes me like side hustle money. That's basically what it is, off a little budget-friendly trailer build. So let's get started on this Honda Civic. Got it soaking up. About to wipe it down with a clean mitt. Get it all washed up. Day in the life. You can see the Honda Civic came out really nice. The paint's looking really nice. The gloss. I got gloss enhancers and the soaps that I use, and cleaned up the tires nice with tire shine, deep clean on the rims. Got it looking right. Let's get back to that NSX. Here we go, FJ Cruiser, baby trailer. That Honda Civic is done. I'll give you a look at it. We're gonna start the NSX. Let's get this job done, get the NSX refreshed, glossed up. Get it protected, get the wheels looking right. You guys know the deal. Let's get started. Third car of the day, finishing up this Prius C hybrid. It was really dirty. We got it cleaned up now. Like I said, another perfect example. Baby trailer, handling a bunch of cars. That's it. Budget-friendly build. That's all you need. So I made a video about my detail trailer, 4x4 size. It's tiny. A lot of people were making fun of the size, how small it is. But yet, finishing up this Honda Passport. Just finished that Lexus NX200, and then I'm doing the camera behind it. So this trailer, yeah man, it's small, whatever. And I maybe only have a tailgater generator, but I'm getting all the jobs done. Just wanted to show you guys an update of the trailer. It's been pretty good to me. Does everything I need it to do. Yeah, my stuff's kind of messy right now because I'm in the middle of a job and I'm doing multiple cars. But you can see everything's holding up fine. I love the small trailer. No regrets building it. I don't think I need anything bigger. So I just wanted to make a quick video. My FJ Cruiser, got my stuff loaded up. FJ Cruiser, pulling a small little baby trailer. This coming weekend we're gonna do some big rigs with this baby trailer. So don't let someone tell you that you need a big ass trailer or a big ass truck to do jobs. Just need something to hold your tank on. So like I said, just a little review update on my trailer. It's been working great. I love it. A lot of people liked it on YouTube as well. So you can see, using spot-free water, just doing some wipe downs on this Honda Passport. And then this Lexus came out really nice. Spot-free water, wash and wax. And then I'm doing this camera. When you're doing jobs like this on the street, you get a lot of people asking you to wash their cars as well. So it's good to wash where you have a lot of people watching you. But hopefully you guys like this trailer. Like I said, check out the video where I talk more about it. But this is just more of an update video, letting you guys know. I've been wanting to make a video like this, an update video of me actually working with it, to show you guys that I actually use the trailer and didn't just build it for views. I actually use my trailer for work. And it works great. I don't need anything else. I just need my little small trailer. Alright, I'm gonna get back to work, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, check out my other videos if you're into auto detailing or cars, anything in general. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another trailer video. I just wanted to do an update. I did a little, like, 2 things to my trailer, but I just wanted to make another video about my trailer because I'm just out here grinding with my trailer, doing these jobs. You see right here, I got that Volvo. I got cars lined up behind this car. Got more jobs lined up for today, so I'm gonna film all the jobs that I do. But let me show you guys what I did to my trailer. Let me flip my camera right here. Let's get to it. Alright, it's really nothing. I'm just proud of it. Check this out. Just put this little thing I found in my backyard. Cost me nothing because it came off one of my dad's toolboxes. Found some bolts, put that thing on. Now I can hold my tools while I'm detailing. I can put my stuff somewhere so it's not scattered everywhere. I like that. Used to have my generator up here, my Harbor Freight cheap ass generator. Used to have it tied down right here, all sketchy. But now I got it tied down here, all sketchy. There you go. Now I got the trailer with my pressure washer, 100-gallon tank, gravity fed system. Oh shit, looks like we're leaking it. Damn it. We're gonna have to fix that. That's what happens. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end this video. I gotta figure out this problem. Alright guys, I can't fix the problem because I don't have tools on me. But I didn't lose too much water. I could still finish my jobs for today. But let me show you guys how I'm gonna fix this problem without fixing this problem. Alright, so see this valve I got right here? I can shut off my water if I'm not using it. So I'm shutting off the water while I'm not using it. That way it doesn't continue to drain, and then I can get back home, take this off and tighten it back on with Teflon tape and a crescent wrench. But this valve saved my day. I would hate to bail on my clients today, but I don't have to because I have the shut off valve and I still have about 70% water, so it should be good. Just, I can't believe I didn't notice that. Oh, man, lost a lot of water. I thought it was from the car. But thankfully I have this T-valve. I recommend this because you can shut off your water whenever you're not using your tank, and you can avoid wasting water like this. You can avoid leaks that you don't know about because you can shut it off straight from the source. So this video was just about my little mods that I did and to show you an update. But now I guess it's about this T-valve. Or not a T-valve, a shut-off valve. That way you can shut off your water, prevent problems like this. I wonder what it is. It's like spring-loaded, I guess. Oh, I see how it works. Okay. So I gotta tighten it this way. Yeah, I don't have any tools on me. You never know what's gonna happen when you're auto detailing. You never know. I've had this break on me before. My string ripped, but I fixed it, took it apart. This tailgater is budget friendly and it works great. But yeah, like I said, doing big jobs with the small trailer. I'm gonna get back to it now. I'm gonna finish detailing this Volvo. You guys can check out my other videos on my trailer and my truck setup and my supplies, all that. So, all right guys. Back to work. Got this filthy Camry up next. Looks good, trust me. Hyundai. Getting that Hyundai. Got it all foamed up. Pressure washer's still not leaking. Everything's working great. Busy day. That's a wrap for today, guys. I'm done auto detailing. I just finished up this Prius behind me. Just did a maintenance wash and wax, interior vacuum, a little cleaning here and there. That's a wrap for today's trailer video. I've showed you guys the updates on my trailer. If I make any more changes, I'll make another video and show you guys what else I do to the trailer. But for now, I think it's good how it is. I'm gonna just keep it maintained. I'm gonna make a video soon if you're interested. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use most now that I've been detailing for like a year now, like for clients and building clients and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I really use and my year's experience and go over that. So I got a video coming out soon, gonna talk about the products I use and show you guys inside my truck and how I organize everything, so stay tuned for that. Have a video coming out soon about the products I use, what you need to buy, what you need, what you really need, and what you don't need. So I'll make a cool video like that coming up soon about my products and show you guys inside my truck how I have a simple design, not a whole lot of products and stuff in my truck, just what I need, the bare necessities. So stay tuned for that video, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next auto detailing video. But let me just say, guys, if you guys need any help with a budget-friendly build, trailer build, gravity-fed system, supplies, advice, anything, don't go out and spend $3,500, $4,500 on a trailer or have someone build you a setup for over $3,000 or $4,000. It's not worth it. You don't need to spend that much. You can build your own trailer, your own setup, very cost efficiently. If you guys need some advice, reach out to me on Instagram. You guys can comment on the video here down below. Anything you need, just reach out to me.